My name is Harold McKinney, and I was diagnosed with carpal tunnel, but and they actually found out that there's a possibility that I may need surgery or some type of therapy. So I chose therapy. So I came to dynamic therapy, and I was treated for several months. And Dr. Soni, who is the owner, and Dr. Isha were my physical therapists. And I can say this for a fact that my carpal tunnel, which was in my right hand and in my index finger and in my thumb, has decreased dramatically, and because of the therapy that I've been here since about 4 months, and I'm very thankful for that. So this avoids any surgery that they suggested I may have to take. So I'm very, very thankful for that.